to facilitate the demonstration of software functions, features, and simulation effects, as well as to lower the barrier to entry for users. The software provides 17 major categories of simulation cases, located in the example folder of the installation directory. Next, we will briefly introduce the characteristics of these case road networks. Let's first take a quick look at what these example cases cover. Each case supports 2D 3D view switching, and the software automatically generates 3D models based on 2D scenarios. Motorized intersection. A demo illustrating the crossing conflict model. It includes conventional intersections, as well as innovative left-turn conflict-free intersections adopted in Shenzhen, China, and signal-controlled intersections with right-turn canalization islands. Mixed motorized and non-motorized intersection. This folder contains a wide range of intersections, with mixed traffic flow of motor vehicles, non-motor vehicles, and pedestrians, covering countries that follow the right-hand traffic rule, for example, China, and the left-hand traffic rule, for example, Vietnam. Pedestrian simulation. Pedestrian simulation road networks include scenarios such as two-stage pedestrian crossing, X-shaped zebra crossing, unrestricted omnidirectional pedestrian crossing, and smooth interaction between pedestrians and motor vehicles. Open the file Pedestrian Case Scramble Crossing Intersection in Hangzhou to view pedestrian movements in both 2D and 3D modes. Arterial road network. This category demonstrates to simulation modeling approaches for arterial roads, global route setting and local route setting. The relevant files are Huanggang Arterial Road Global Route in Shenzhen Green Wave Signal Control and Huanggang Arterial Road Partial Route in Shenzhen. It also includes Ulaanbaatar, which demonstrates how to model a green wave coordinated signal control scheme. Roundabout and heterogeneous intersection. There are 4 to 5 typical roundabout scenarios available for users to open and explore independently. Among them, Wangwian Yai in Thailand showcases the mixed traffic simulation effect of motor vehicles and non-motor vehicles under high-volume flow conditions. Specialized traffic organization. The software provides 3 common specialized traffic organization scenarios to help users master modeling techniques for similar cases. Borrowing lane left turn case, variable lane case, and reversible lane case. Public transit system. This folder contains 2 types of public transit network scenarios: bus rapid transit BRT and regional bus lines. Large-scale road network. This category includes simulation road networks for large-scale urban areas in Beijing, Chongqing, Shenzhen, and Nanjing, China. High-speed expressway and interchange. This folder features various interchange hubs, expressway on-ramp and off-ramp sections, and ASM-generated road networks. Switching to 3D view in the demos reveals the software's built-in 2D to 3D modeling capabilities, such as the automatic generation of viaduct columns and road guardrails. Toll station. This folder provides simulation models of toll stations on both expressway main lines and branch lines. The toll stations support 3 charging mode simulations: ETC, MTC, and ETC and MTC hybrid mode. To accurately simulate the lane selection behavior of vehicles approaching toll stations, flexible lane-level toll decision routes are available. In addition, the cases demonstrate vehicle movement performance in scenarios where toll stations coexist and interact with construction zones and accident zones. Parking lot. This category simulates parking lot road networks, supporting parking space configuration for different vehicle types, and provides 3 parking maneuver modes: forward to forward, forward to backward, and backward to forward. The operation of parking lot entrances. and exits can be implemented by integrating the toll station function. Work zone. The software offers two types of road construction simulations: road closure construction and contraflow construction. Each construction zone is divided into 6 functional sections: warning zone, upstream transition zone, buffer zone, work zone, downstream transition zone, and termination zone, to achieve refined simulation of driving behavior in construction areas. Road emission. Emission simulation features real-time display of emission heat maps and line charts. It also supports offline calculation of emission indicators based on simulation trajectory data after the simulation is completed. Railway station. This folder includes Beijing South Railway Station, China, and Hongqiao Hub arrival level, and taxi pickup zone pedestrian simulation case no 3D model, which simulates passenger flow at the Shanghai Hongqiao Integrated Transportation Hub. Beijing South Railway Station demonstrates pedestrian movements in a multi-level 3-dimensional space, including passenger arrival at the hub, turnstile entry and exit, queuing, stair climbing and descending, and the entire process of boarding trains and departing. These models come with corresponding 3D BIM models, which can be downloaded together via the software download link on the official website. BIM and 3D system. This folder provides several demos, showcasing the software's 3D visualization capabilities, such as 3D visualization of 2-stage pedestrian crossings, rapid construction of simulation models like pedestrian safety islands, and 3D modeling effects of urban arterial roads. All these 3D effects can be achieved with just a few simple steps, leveraging the software's built-in capabilities and models.